So today I'm here to teach you about minimum wage and its benefits and its costs. Okay, so this is a standard free labor market graph. Here we have a demand curve, which signifies the what should I call it? It signifies the employers and their demands for laborers. So yeah, if you work, then, and the supply curve here would be the supply of workers, prospective workers that could work for these employers. So in a free labor market with regular equilibrium price and quantity, it would be about $4, let's say, hypothetically. So what is the point? What is a minimum wage? It creates a minimum of what a person can earn in an hour. So that would be consequently a price floor, because a price floor is a minimum limit for which a good can be sold, which in case a good or service can be sold, which in this case is labor. So if you look here, let's say that the government puts a $6 tax, or makes minimum wage $6. This isn't the equilibrium price or quantity, and since it goes above the equilibrium price, it causes something called a shortage. Right here we have the new quantity demanded, which is less than the quantity of the equilibrium that we originally had. The quantity demanded is the amount of workers that an employer can hire, because you see how they have to give out more money for each worker in each hour. That means that they have less money, so that means they only can give their money to less people. And on the other hand, because the price for the money you receive is higher, more people want to work, right? Because they earn more money. So that means the demand, or the supply of workers increases, and it becomes a new number here. So basically, that's what minimum wage is, and there are a lot of supporters and critics of minimum wage. Some supporters say that the $6 minimum wage, or whatever the minimum wage actually is helpful because in today's society we can't live with the equilibrium price. You need at least this minimum wage to earn enough money so that you can actually pay your bills, buy food, electricity, and etc. And critics say that minimum wage is bad because usually it's only people like teenagers that work minimum wage jobs, because they don't need to pay their bills because they're teenagers. So they say that because it causes unemployment, because the people that work, employers, the supply curve can only hire a set number of people, less people, because they have less money to give out. So they're saying that it causes unemployment and it's actually worse off. And yeah, well, that's for you to decide. That's it for today.